So the other night after dinner, I just wanted something sweet. And I thought rather than do that same old, which is where I put like some nut butter, some walnut, little, maybe a couple of flakes of coconut, kosher salt. If you like those mini chocolate chips from Enjoy Life, those are also lovely. But I usually don't like to have caffeine in the evenings. But the other night, I was like, oh, I wonder if I put this like sweet, hot cherry mustard that we got on our party tray with some Marcona almonds that we also got on the party tray. Ooh, yeah. And it really hit the spot. I mean, you do not have to cut it in half. I'm just gonna cut it in half to show you. Like, it's a nice little, it's like a little baby sandwich. It's, you know, and you can make a bunch of these and still feel pretty good about it because this is natural, sweet, naturally. Dates are amazing. I love dates. I want to eat them all the time. And I put them in the smoothies for Greg and I. And I know a lot of people who do well with eating. I'm gonna put some of this apricot in this one just for fun. But I know that a lot of people in the raw food movement, and I am eating high raw now, we are using more dates. People are using a lot of dates. I like all nuts. I'm a fan of walnuts too, but these Marcona almonds were just here. So anyway, I'm just making a couple of these up so I have them for later next time. Um, and so another thought, okay, let me just make one of these now with the almond butter. And I wish I had a walnut. I do have a walnut, but I don't have it out. But I just want to show you. You can use any other nut that you want. But put a little bit of that almond butter in and then do, any kind of jelly. Like this is a habanero jelly, but some type of jelly. All right, I don't have another little. So that's going to be a little sweet, spicy jelly. And then some grapes. Grape halves. Okay, that was messy. But this is going to curb your sweet tooth, right? Totally. It is going to make you feel like you're eating something deliciously sweet. And even if you just want to do the grapes plain, there's all different kinds of, just throw some little grape in there and smash it back up and put these in the fridge. And then when you get to that little, don't forget to take that little, the little doodad. I like to call them the little doodad on top. And then take out your seed and you can make a flat. You can really do a lot of things with dates. I've made date candies over the years. I love a date. I'm going to do some of this spicy sweet chili that probably has a little bit of sugar, and then I'm going to do a Marcona almond. Oh, and then I'm going to try a little bit of that cherry mustard. What is happening? And we're going for all of it. I'm going to take a little bit of it, of a grape. Okay, now that is a crazy mishmash, but what do you have at home that you like that you can use with your medjool dates? I have one date left from the party. For my last one, I think I'm going to just keep it simple. Throw in a couple almonds and no spread this time, just the almonds and the grape. So I made it a bunch of different ways. Don't forget to remove your pits if you're using the full medjool dates with the pits, which I do like to use, but I did find some that are working well that were pre-pitted. And I love my dates. I love my date snacks. You really want to incorporate dates, I promise you. They're so good and delicious, and you feel good about eating them. You don't have to feel bad. They're awesome. They're nutritious. They're good for you. They can be grabbed and go very easily on the road. Need something sweet when you're traveling? These things are awesome. Okay, well, that is the plan. Eat more dates, everybody. Love, love.